Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OnePlus 9. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now click open. And here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now you can decide if you want to use notifications from this browser or not. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.